Bullish Star Atlas cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Atlas could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Star Atlas presentation. NFTs, the freshest obsession with the web, are supposed to influence the gaming area. The state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's financial potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following rush of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the huge drain of space in quest for extremely valuable NFT-based precious stones. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain components with NFT situated in game things and specific designs advancements. What is Star Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may combine efforts, coordinate, and battle their direction into neglected territory on account of this astonishing creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation action. It highlights in-game resources in view of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their remarkable resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain. Specifically, the Star Atlas games universe is huge, and players should go out on forlorn, rough experiences loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas interactivity in the game. Players can make enormous urban communities and private ventures or rally and make decentralized independent associations to administer over specific regions. Players gain virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, as opposed to most of unified gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The objective is to advance the adaptation of gaming time spent on Star Atlas to give a certified monetary benefit to interest. Star Atlas Specialized Investigation. Specialized investigation, or TA for short, is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized pointers to check the Star Atlas cost expectations and different variables. It is a technique for inspecting the market using pointers, extraordinarily made instruments. Financial backers and dealers can involve this way to deal with track down fair opportunities for exchanging or effective money management. Specialized investigation is regularly founded on authentic data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so forth, which uncovers designs that can be utilized to estimate what is probably going to occur. Specialized investigation is the examination of resources utilizing specialized markers. It is a method for examining the market, using pointers made particularly for the reason. Financial backers and merchants utilize this strategy to track down opportunities for ventures or exchange, contingent upon the circumstance. Specialized investigation is in some cases established on verifiable information for a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be used to conjecture what is probably going to occur. Star Atlas current cost. Star Atlas is presently worth $0. Atlas has moved 1.60% as of now with an exchanging volume of $682,996. Star Atlas is right now positioned 496 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $24,251,956 USD. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2022. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Atlas cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progression. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Star Atlas cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Atlas's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Star Atlas effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2025. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2026, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Atlas has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. In the event that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to assemble the help Atlas needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2028. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 1 cent in 2028. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Star Atlas will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 1 cent and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 2 cents. Averaging out at 2 cents. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Atlas cost in 2030 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. And present-day innovation is utilized in Star Atlas, a vivid crypto gaming experience with astonishing visuals and imaginative interactivity. The game not just requests to players who are now mindful of blockchain innovation and cryptographic forms of money, yet in addition has every one of the characteristics that could prompt reception by a bigger gaming crowd. Besides, the game can advance the boundless reception of digital currencies due to its creative in-game plan, staggering designs, and utilization of the Solana blockchain. It would be a productive speculation, according to the most extreme cost esteem, normal exchanging esteem, least cost esteem, normal exchanging value, Star Atlas cost expectation, current cost, and normal estimate value, the digital money market, and Star Atlas conjecture among various elements. What is the Star Atlas cost today? Today, Star Atlas is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $24 million.